Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very beautiful and attractive flower pot fridge magnet which is made using paper quilling strips. So I will share how to make the base, how to create this tiny flowers, and I have created in two different versions, that is in the pink and blue. So let's get started. First, I am taking this rough paper which measures 7 by 5 centimeters. Just fold this in half and I am cutting one pot shape from this. So just created one pencil line for the half pot design, and you need to cut both the papers together and you can create easily the template for the pot. Now I am taking piece of mound board and going to trace this pot on this. Then taking one dark yellow color paper and tracing the same pot template on the yellow sheet as well. Now we just need to cut these shapes using scissors. Then I'm cutting one big size paper according to the shape of the pot from the yellow sheet, and first sticking the mound board pot on this. Then just cut the pot shape around this design by leaving approximately 7 mm gap, and then you just need to cut small strips all around the shape and cut small fringes. Then add little glue and stick it like this. So this is done. Now taking my another paper on which we have drawn the pot shape, I am fussy cutting the design again, and then I am going to stick this on top of this. So the base for our quilling work is done. Now I am starting with making the quilling shapes for pot, starting with this biggest petal. For this I am taking 2 strips of yellow color and making one tight leaf dome shape. I am using 3 mm strips to create the pot, and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. Creating a dome using fingers. You can also use quilling mold. Then adding glue inside this, and in the same way we need total 7 petals. Now I have here prepared these 8 petals using half strip of yellow color. These are simple teardrop shapes, and these 4 leaf shapes are made using half strip. These are tight leaf shapes. So these are loose and these are tight. And these tight coils are made using half strip of yellow color. We need total 15 tight coils of this shape. Then we have these tight coils. These are total 10 in quantity, and I have used 1/4 strip to create this, and also we need 2 small tight coils which is made using 1/8 strip. Now taking back my pot template, and on the rough side I am going to arrange my quilling designs. So just follow me, and this is super duper easy. You just need to add glue and stick your patterns. Then in between these small gaps, I am adding small bright yellow color tight coils. And our design is done. Now I am taking dark yellow color 5mm yellow strip and just add little glue on all over the edge of the pattern, and I am going to wrap the strip around this. It will give very nice finishing and the edge to our pot. Just cut the excess strip and the pot is ready. Then I am taking one strip of dark yellow 5mm and making one rectangular shape for the base of pot. Just pinch like leaf shape, and then after little gap pinch it again, so that you will get very easy rectangular shape. I am just taking one yellow color paper for the base, add little glue with the rectangle and connect with yellow paper so that it will get the base. Cutting the excess paper around this, and then I am sticking the base with the pot. And our pot is ready. Then starting with the flowers, these are tiny flowers, and for this I am using 2mm strips. So for the petal I am taking half strip of medium pink color and making one tight teardrop shape. So for one flower we need 4 petals, joining 4 petals together. and flower is done. For the center of the flower, I am taking 1/4 strip of white color and making one tight coil. So this is done. In the same way, I have prepared some more pink flowers using different color combinations of pink. I have used dark pink, light pink, medium pink, like this. And for the leaf, I am taking half strip of light green and 1/4 strip of dark sap green and making one tight leaf shape. In the same way, I have prepared 10 to 11 leaves. Now taking back my pot, and first I am sticking 2 flowers on the top, and then from back side just add little glue with the petals and start sticking your flowers on top of this. So in this way I will create some 3 to 4 layers of flower, and I will connect these very close to each other so that it will look like a bunch of flower, and also it will look very 3D. So randomly I am adding the petals here and there. Don't repeat one color very near. If it happens, it's normal, but try to arrange the flowers with different colors. And each time after adding flower, take a look from front so that you will get the idea that our arrangement is going well. It should look like a proper composition. Now we will add leaf, but first allow this bunch of flower to dry for some time. So it's dry. Now I am adding some leaves here and there all around the flowers. So after adding leaves, our bunch is ready. It's completely dried. Now here I am taking pink color floral pollens. These are thread pollens, and I have already cut some pollens. So randomly I am sticking these pollens from back side. It will enhance the beauty of floral bunch. If you don't have thread pollens, you can also use wire pollens. And this is done. Allow it to set. So it's done and dried. Now from back side I'm going to add the magnet, and to stick the magnet I am using B6000 glue. This is very strong adhesive. You can also use Fevikwik or silicone glue. Add a good quantity of glue and just stick it exactly in the center from back side. Allow it to dry. So it's dried and it's done. And in the same way I have prepared one more floral vase magnet. I have just used the blue color combination of flowers and created 5-petal flower, and the shape is tight leaf shape. Pot is exactly same as before, and in the same way you can create different color combinations of flower pot magnets. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.